everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and today we're working on another huge makeover here at my parents' house. So excited. You guys have seen me transform multiple rooms of their home. Now we're working on this space.
This video is sponsored by Serena by Lutron.
This is the kitchen dining area. You could call it a breakfast nook. We use it for everything. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, games, activities, crafts. We're always in this room. So it's definitely the most high traffic, most used room of the home. And I think it has the least going on. We're gonna be making some major changes in here, updating this space, restyling this space, and making it look brand new. Make sure you stay tuned right to the end to see my parents' reaction to their new and improved space. If you enjoyed watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and jump right into it.
So there's definitely some things that are staying and some things that are going in here. The first thing that's gonna be staying for sure is this light fixture. I think we can definitely work it into the new design. It's newly installed. Everything from there down really needs to change. So all the furniture is gonna go. My mom cannot wait for this table to be gone. It's constantly foggy, always dirty looking. We don't recommend glass tables. And these fabric seat cushions are totally destroyed. We want something more functional, more wipeable, and just better looking in general. I also really want to highlight this wall. This is the first wall you see when you walk through the house, and I really want to soften the look of it and really upgrade all the window treatments. I definitely want to add a lot more interest to this wall. It's just a big bare wall right now, and I think with just a little bit of detail, a little bit of decor, we can transform this back wall and make it look a lot more interesting. We are absolutely changing up the paint color in here. I'm so excited for a new look, but before we jump into that, I'm gonna tape out all the edges around the kitchen cabinets, around the trim work, the doorways, just so we end up with a clean, crisp, finished look. And of course, taking everything off the walls so I can prep for painting. That includes taking down these old noisy blinds so I can get around the doorway. Yeah, those definitely need to go. So I'm going to be donating everything from this makeover that I'm getting rid of. So I package all my little pieces and screws so I can donate everything in one piece with nothing missing.
We're slowly trying to get rid of all of the gold and beige around the house and bring in a new fresh color. So we're gonna be using a color called Cake Batter. This is what Cake Batter looks like. I picked it out from the Aura collection at Benjamin Moore, and it's a warm white. So obviously it's gonna brighten up the room, but we're still keeping a nice warm tone to it. The next day, the painting is all complete and I love this color. It's creamy, it's warm, but it's brighter and cleaner looking in here. Today, we are moving on to some furniture changes. First thing I want to add to this space is a rug. I really want to ground all of our new furniture, add some pattern to the floor, some interest, and really soften up the look of this space. I know what you guys are thinking, a rug in a kitchen, isn't it gonna get dirty? Yes, it might. But I got a ruggable rug. Ruggable rugs are machine washable. So I was so excited to order one of these because I think this is the most functional rug you can get. If you have kids, any kind of messy area, and you still want a rug, this seems to be the best solution. This rug is called the Cameron Hazel, and I really like the pattern of it. Kind of a transitional rug, a little bit of modern, a little bit of traditional. So now that the rug is down, I want to bring in our brand new table.
I started the shopping process for this table on Facebook Marketplace and kept running into all these tables that just were not in good condition.
Oh, is that like a big scratch?
So I then opted to go to HomeSense, trying to find a good deal there, trying to find the perfect table, and they just had tables that were too big, too rustic for this space. They just weren't right. Then I saw this little side table. As soon as I saw this, I knew the kitchen table needed to look just like this. I love the round shape, I love the pedestal leg, the color. So I went on Wayfair and found this beautiful dining table, and it was perfect. This is the style table I've been looking for in here. It's the right style with the kitchen, all of these nice curved edges. It really goes with the light on top. Now let's bring in some new chairs. Every shopping trip starts at HomeSense, and it's honestly so much fun for me. I'm in and out of here like every day looking for the right pieces. This time I got lucky. I found this dining chair, and it was the perfect color, the perfect shape. I brought a piece of wood along from the kitchen to kind of color match and see if it would look nice, and I thought it was perfect. It really just sold me that it was finally a fabric that wasn't velvet or linen. It was something that you could wipe down with a wet cloth and clean up to last a long time. The last piece of furniture that we're going to be adding in here is a storage unit, and this is a really beautiful piece that I found at HomeSense the other day. Got really lucky. Now it's time to bring it in here and see what it looks like. So we ended up getting this on sale because it was actually missing the hardware pulls. So I thought that's no big deal, we can install our own. So I bought some little knobs from Home Depot, and they were black, so they matched perfectly, and you can just install them super easily. So that definitely wasn't going to be the reason stopping me from getting this beautiful piece. So I've got all the new furniture in, and I'm loving it. The scale of everything works, it feels inviting, it looks elevated, but it's not done yet. We actually have a lot more to do. So to make this room feel a lot more comfortable and add a lot of functionality, we're gonna be installing our new Serena smart shades. I'm so excited. So thank you so much to Lutron Electronics for sponsoring today's video. This sliding door and the window beside it are probably the most used kind of window in the house. When we had blinds on them, we'd pull them up and down every single morning, every night. So I'm really excited to ditch that and start again with some brand new smart shades. I am such a huge fan of these Serena shades by Lutron. They really help to create a comfort zone in your home. They create privacy, and they allow you to optimize the amount of natural light coming through effortlessly. So they offer different styles from honeycomb, roller shades, wood blinds. I chose the roller shades. I feel like it gives a nice kind of smooth finish across the wall. I really love that you can order samples like this because I love to see things, feel it with my own hands, really check out the different colors and textures. I ended up choosing this one here. It's a nice warm white that really works with the new paint color. So this one's from the Mirage collection. It's called Cotton. And just seeing them in person like this really gave me a better sense of which one I was gonna choose. You can hire a pro to do all of your measuring, installation, setup, even package removal, or you can do the DIY version like I'm doing, and it's super simple. They also have this amazing scanner where you can take your phone and scan it, and then the instruction video comes up here on YouTube. How cool is that? I think it is so amazing that these are actually battery powered. You don't have to do any wiring or anything complicated. The batteries will last 2 to 5 years, just depending on the size and how much you use them. So the Serena system operates with the Lutron Smart Bridge Hub, and this is what connects all the devices and the remote controls. So you can download the Lutron app, set up your remote controls, and connect it to your smart home device. So I'm connecting mine to my Google Home and my Siri, but you can set yours up with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit. They actually connect with more smart home devices than any other leading smart shade. Hey Siri, close family room shade and kitchen shade.
Okay.
This is so cool.
You can actually make it even easier by setting a schedule for the blinds. So I can have both of these blinds open and close at designated times of the day. So I'm gonna have the blinds open at I don't know, 10 a.m. and close at sunset. That way I don't have to think about anything and it's just gonna do it for me.
If you're looking for some new shades in your home, or if you want to upgrade anything that you already have, definitely check these out. I'll leave the link to these down below in the description box so you guys can check them out. I highly recommend them. I can't get over how silent this is. No more banging blinds. This is so exciting. For all the finishing touches being added in, I put up this garbage bag so some of it can at least be a surprise. So no one's allowed in until the big reveal. I'm gonna add some curtain panels on either side of the door to really help frame out that wall and soften the look of it. Anytime you're hanging curtain rods, hang them as high as you can to the ceiling so it expands the look of the room. For decorating, I'm actually gonna be using a lot of pieces that we had around the house that could just look better in this space. So I call this house shopping. I shopped these two pieces from our home that are actually matching and they have all the right colors, they're the right size, and I'm just gonna use them together on top of this buffet. Okay, I'm all done with the room. I'm so happy with it. All the finishing touches really brought this whole space together and it just looks so much better than it did before. Like the mixed matched furniture, the wrong style pieces, too many chairs. We stripped all that back and started fresh in here and I'm so glad we did because this looks incredible. So let's bring my parents in and see what they think of the new and improved space. Keep your eyes closed. On the count of 3, you can open your eyes. So 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Holy moly, look at that.
I'm dumbfounded. This is like unbelievable.
Are
That
you
is
serious?
amazing.
And it's just such a transformation. It's some.
Do you love it? Do you like the
The
curtains?
curtains look tremendous too. Oh yeah,
I'm
that's...
speechless.
Really?
The curtains.
Aren't
And-
they
and
dramatic?
They're so dramatic, and it just. Wouldn't even have had that vision.
Yeah, and you've elevated the whole
The
thing.
whole thing, it just looks like a different room.
I like that you've kept the artwork
Me too.
I know.
because that, I mean, that was special. We got that in Venice.
This looks like somebody else's house.
And then the coolest part is, hey Siri, open the kitchen shades.
Wow,
Like how amazing.
that's technology for you.
I know.
And it's so quiet.
It's so quiet. That's like my favorite part.
It brings out all the different highlights here,
Yeah.
and the backsplash, and here, and then the floor.
Yeah, and the lampshade's nice there.
I like it too. I like that like warmth over there.
That is really nice. This just brings,
Right?
it just makes the room look bigger. It's just more elegant.
Mm-hmm.
I just love it. I really like how homey it is. I'm just blown away. But when I first looked at it, it was this that opened it up. It popped in front of me.
Yeah.
Wow. You've outdid yourself.
What?
Like this is just, it's totally stylish but warm.
Yeah.
I feel really warm in here.
Yes. Remember before?
No, I
Old
don't even like
table,
it.
the fridge in the corner.
And I love this background. Me too.
Like this
This-
wall, we never even used to think about this wall.
Never thought about it.
And now it's like dun da da da.
Love it.
Yay.
Love it.
Great
Thank you
job.
so much.
Oh, you're
Oh
welcome.
my goodness.
Great job.
Thank you so much again to Serena by Lutron for sponsoring this video.
Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope it gave you some ideas on how you can decorate, furnish, style, or just improve your dining room space. Everything now just feels like it's completely right and it was always meant to be here, so I'm really happy with everything, and I'm so glad my parents love it too. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and click that red subscribe button down below, and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!